just completed construction.
Okay.
We're looking at about a 30,000 square foot home. We're about $500,000 all in on this theater. And then we can kind of look through here, and this is the car elevator. And this is a rock climbing wall.
What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. So Elegant Homes invited me to Las Vegas to check out one of their newest constructions, and that is a $25 million mansion. So we're gonna go there right now and check out just how crazy this place really is. So we're just about to make a left on Grand Hills Drive. I think this is a gated community. Hey, I'm with Elegant Homes to see a home on Carina Way.
Just give me one moment, you go right in.
Cool, thanks. We did it. We're in. Holy moly. This place is absolutely crazy. So we just got here. I think we're off to a really good start. We got basically my dream cars in the driveway here. Okay, so first of all, this door must be like 10 feet long. I love this door. What's up, man? Hey, I'm Graham.
How you doing? I'm Corey.
What's up, Corey?
Eagle Century. Come
yeah,
on.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Holy crap. Oh, I love this.
We just completed construction.
Okay.
We're looking at about a 30,000 square foot home.
So how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms?
Even though it's a very large home, we have 3 bedrooms, we have 12 bathrooms. We had this section custom built to accommodate a big group of people. It's all motorized, custom incliners, motorized headrests. We got a full 9-speaker surround sound system in here.
How tall are these ceilings, by the way?
23 feet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
100-inch TV.
Okay.
For the great room.
Oh my God.
Built-in subwoofer.
And of course we have the entire Las Vegas Strip here.
The entire Las Vegas Strip. This house was built to be that strip.
This, I've never seen this sort of table before.
This is completely cantilevered. You'll see no legs.
Okay.
This is a steel beam structure. If we take a look in here, that's bolted into the ground with 6 feet deep of concrete.
So how much does something like this cost?
All in, this table is about $100,000.
I love it.
The engineering was designed so that you could have about 6 people standing or dancing on this table.
Even the lighting throughout this entire place, like the mood lighting that you see here, is just incredible.
And all this is color changing. It's full RGB spectrum lighting. We can set the scene for whatever your mood.
Okay. By the way, I just want to mention this is really cool here.
Well, this is a really cool feature. We can step into the dining room.
Yeah.
You'll see the Hellfire defies gravity. Fire is actually going down.
Wait a second. What? I've never seen this before. Is there like a vacuum or something that's here? Okay.
Yeah, there it is.
Holy crap. And then what's going on here? Everyone wants to know, what is this?
Mark is a big fan of the Golden Knights.
Okay.
This helmet was built by his friend Michael Goddard, a famous artist.
We all want to know how much this is worth. If you were to put a price tag on this.
Isn't for sale.
Okay.
And I believe it's about a $75,000 helmet. Of course, Mark's an investor, and so is Michael in Bitcoin, so we've got a Bitcoin.
We got a lot of crypto fans here on this channel, so smash the like button if you guys are into crypto. We're probably gonna get a lot of dislikes right now, but hit the like button anyway. Don't dislike the video. I'm kidding. Don't do that. Okay, and he's selling this then for what, 25 million?
It's selling for 25 million.
Okay, is that furnished it's gonna be selling?
That's complete as is.
Okay.
You bet.
Including the helmet.
Well, that's
negotiable. Oh, you guys, okay. We can negotiate that in.
You see the lighting system there changes the mood from Arctic to fire.
I love that.
So we can accommodate up to 16 people in here, and we have a 200-inch laser DLP Barco projection system, the same projection system you'd find in a high-end commercial theater.
Wow.
Full Dolby Atmos surround sound.
How much does this cost to build?
We're about $500,000 all in on this theater. Yeah,
wow.
The best electronics. Macintosh electronics, Bowers & Wilkins speakers.
Okay. What is this, Onyx?
This is Onyx, backlit Onyx.
Okay.
We also have a super toilet.
What is a super toilet? I think all of us want to know.
Well, we can give you a demonstration.
Okay.
Lid automatically opens when you walk nearby.
This is the future.
It is a heated toilet, so never cold.
Oh, good, good. I was worried for a second it wasn't going to be heated. And by the way, what's going on with this? I mean, this is something I noticed right when you walked in.
So this is the foyer. We have a 2-story water wall that's backlit.
Okay.
And you can see the light up above. We call that the snake. And that is a $50,000 light fixture. We have, we call this the donut chair.
Okay.
And then we can kind of look through here, and this is the car elevator.
I don't think many people have seen an elevator for a car.
Yeah, we can take a look from up top, but essentially the owner can pull into this car elevator and elevate up to the 2nd floor and walk right into his master bedroom.
Everyone needs one of those.
And here we have our game room.
I don't know what to say. Like sometimes you walk into a room and like there's nothing for me to say. It's just like wow, you know, wow. Got it.
So
love
full
this.
RV garage. We can park an RV in here, and we can shoot some hoops.
Okay.
Fully conditioned space. As you know, it gets hot here in the desert, so this area is completely climatized.
Okay. And the stairs, of course, the stairs light up.
Stairs light up.
Okay.
So we do have the elevator as an option.
Let's do the elevator.
And then as we go down to the basement, it really transforms into a wine cellar.
Wow. So what is this?
This is just a unique feature that the owner thought up. This is all backlit with LED.
Okay.
Different color wine bottles. Okay, so this is our wine cellar. It's completely different space than the rest of the house.
Okay.
The main house is very modern. We step down in the wine cellar, it's more rustic. And this is a rock climbing wall.
This is crazy. I've never seen one like this before.
They're custom acrylic stairs, backlit with LED. Just the lighting system alone to light these stairs is around $50,000.
First of all, this is probably the biggest bed. How many girls does he fit in this?
We can fit quite a few. Yeah, it is 2 king-size beds, or equivalent to 2 king-size beds, custom built for this home.
How much is this bed worth?
This is about a $20,000 bed. So from the master bedroom, you can see Mark's collections of vehicles, his Lamborghini, his Rolls Royce, many different cars. The lift was designed to carry everything from a Lamborghini to a Rolls Royce. Here we have a custom built tub.
Okay.
This is all metal, heavy enough that the floor had to be engineered and reinforced to support the weight. The fill is from the ceiling, and all in, we're at about $100,000 in this tub. Multiple shower heads in the ceiling, walls, and custom built drain system.
I love this.
It had to be built off-site in one solid piece.
Yeah.
And they had to bring a giant crane on the other side of the house. They had to bring the crane over to drop it in because it's all made of stainless steel. You know, the beautiful mountains around, you know, right now we got snow up on the mountains because it's
so nice.
It's winter, it's beautiful. And as the sun begins to go down, the city just lights up and it's absolutely incredible. A little bit outdoor kitchen.
Okay.
Designed it, you know the grills like at the hibachi. Well, that's what I built here. This right here is a special one though. When it gets hot, it kind of sucks down in the middle, so you can cook right here and you can serve your guests on the other side. Pizza oven, hot dog machines, and another theater set up out here where you can set all heating, heaters in the ceilings. And then over here, this was kind of a neat thing. I wanted to have a place where you could set in the spring and fall with fire and look at the strip at night.
Yep.
And the fire, even in the wintertime now, people come out here and set and we turn on the fire because you can it's just absolutely beautiful. I mean, there's TVs that pop up, like over there's a TV pops up, so if you're sitting in the jacuzzi, you can you can watch TV. Okay. There's also a gigantic theater, the biggest outdoor theater they ever built. It's got a 22-foot diagonal screen over there. The projector drops out of the ceiling, like this side. The projector drops out. There's another one here, but on the other side, it's gigantic.
I love that.
It'd be fun to show you that. It's a lot for one guy to live in.
Yeah.
Well, I grew up in Orange County. My dad worked at Weiser Lock, a factory that makes locks. And then after they moved, he was a bus driver. And my mom never did anything great, so I didn't have, never came from money. Yeah. I just had I would say a bit of a burning desire to succeed from a young age. I had a paper route when I was 12, 13 years old, did that. worked at many fast foods restaurants, got fired from them too. And
Why?
He failed at everything.
Why did you get fired?
Oh, I gave away some French fries.
Okay.
To a friend, you know, in high school, you know.
Stuff.
In high school, you do stupid stuff.
Okay,
you know,
okay.
you do something stupid. So I handed extra fries to somebody, and the manager watched me. So that's okay, you know. But those are what I say is those are learning experiences. You know, when you're young, you do stupid things, but you learn from those things.
Yes.
And all through life, all the things I've done. You know, whether it was success or failure, whatever I did, I learned all the way through the process. You know, as a matter of fact, failure is what teaches you how to succeed. So for me, that's how I learned how to succeed, and it got my mindset together the right way. So I wasn't just spending it frivolously when I made it. I was able to save it and save a lot, and then be able to do some things like this house and other real estate adventures and other things that I do.
Okay.
When you do become successful, there's 3 things that I think are the keys to success. And the first thing is that you have to stay humble. No matter how much you make or how much you don't make, you have to stay humble. That's a really big issue. You notice people start making money and they start getting arrogant and thinking they're better than everybody else, and that's bull. So stay humble. Number 2, you got to stay coachable, because no matter how good you are, you have to be coachable. Michael Jordan had a coach. Tiger Woods has a coach. Look at Kobe Bryant has a coach. I mean, all these guys have coaches, and they're phenomenal. Why does Kobe Bryant need a coach? He can go out there and play anytime he wants, because they hone the skills. They keep you, and you must stay coachable for your entire life. You're either green and growing or ripe and rotten.
Right.
And then the third thing is you have to stay focused, which is the hardest part, because people lose their focus. They start having success, and then somebody comes to them and says, well, why don't you do this and why don't you do that? And the next thing you know, they go broke. So, you know, if you can stay humble, coachable, and focused, you'll win.
Okay. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. All of this was thanks to Tanner here. Tanner was the one that absolutely hooked it up with this house. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Now, he just started marketing for this, and I figured let's give a shout out. What is this?
Awesome. So on behalf of the chocolate chip cookie company, they supplied Graham with a nice gift here of some cookies. As you can see, they're beautiful. They're huge. Tastes really good, and once you run out up in California, give me a call and I'll send you up some more.
Yeah, so you guys, so like they didn't ask for any of this, but I figured like this is something we should do. The chocolate chip cookie company is, I should say, like this video is sponsored by the chocolate chip cookie company. It's not really, but let's just say it is. They hooked it up. Thank you for the cookies, by the way.
Yeah.
So if any of you guys like cookies as much as I do, even though I'm kind of on a diet, but make sure to get these cookies. And thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Anything helps that you do for that. Do you want to tell them to smash the like button?
Of course, please smash the like button. Hey, Graham, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Tell them to destroy the like button.
Destroy it.
Destroy it. Thank you again.
Elegant Homes and the chocolate chip cookie company.
There we go. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.